Welcome to Your Man's SG. Today we're opening Millennium Ages 2 of Lycee over 2. Millennium Ages is one of my favorite sets, so I opened one box to see what I got. So we got, as usual, some sleeves, promo, and 2 promos extra. I got 2 boxes, so let's start. Haven't opened Lycee over 2 in a while, so let's see what we'll get. There are a lot of, I really like this product. I mean by Millennium Ages. It's a hentai game, I think, but there is like a lot of it. Like, oh no, maybe I'm confusing. It's one of the first. I think it's like set 2 or 3 of was okay common. Well, yeah, this is why. Okay, this is great. I like the art already. Well, I liked it before. Okay, uncommon, common, rare. And we're going, okay, commons, okay, 2 uncommons, silver token. It's not worth to redeem because I will pay for handling. More money is it's just cheaper to buy promo. And you need a lot of those points. Like you had to, it's more like you go for a tournament, you play it a bit. And what tournaments only in Japan? Oh yes, this is how the promo looks. Really good. I like it. So far, okay, nothing. Okay. Commons, uncommon, and we got our first super rare. Kirado. Okay, I will not pretend that I know how to read. Okay. QB. Yeah, okay. $3. Okay, it's a miss. No, it's cute. I think the real money now is. Ooh, cute. Man, art is good. Oh man, this is like. So most of the time, Lycee over 2 has bad art. Okay, just like static art here, it's like more dynamic. Man, this is great. Okay, so sweet, common, uncommon. Okay, and next set is Alice Soft. Yeah, like France, like they make some famous games, mostly hentai. But we will, okay. 2 uncommons, our rare, and we got our foil rare. Now there. Okay, 300. Let's just check the prices because there was some money. Okay, let me check the number again. 93. $3. Okay, but I will buy them online from YouTube, and I will try to finish the set because they're pretty and usually they're cheap. Okay, did I get common? Yes. Okay, we got another super rare. Kind of angel girl. 37, no, 6. $4, yeah. Yeah, usually, unless you hit NSP, you don't want to make your money back. That's how it works in the silver too. But I like it. It sets like this. You can enjoy the art. It looks pretty, and you don't need much more. Okay, to uncome. Ooh, okay, another super rare. This one, what's number 700? $10 better. And we get like 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them per box. 1 Kira rare, foil rare. And we got a chance to get something more. But I usually get one, but not always. Like in each, I think in one of the 3 openings, I get a SP. Let's hope we get one. My art is so good in this one. Oh, can't get enough. Okay. Okay, let's see. Common, uncommon. It will be a pain to sort. It usually always takes a lot of time, but I will do it in another time. Because I don't have like a topic, like I could film like sorting, but it's usually really boring. Like it's I have to check the numbers. Oh, golden ticket. And yeah. Okay. Uncommons and full red. I didn't check the numbers. Okay, 32 commons, 32 uncommons, 32 rares, 12 super rare, and Kira rares, and secrets. Well, secrets are hard to get. Okay. And we're okay. And that's okay. Nothing uncommon. Okay, and so 4 super rare. So we got all our super rares. This one for $6. Okay. And we're almost done with box 1. Okay, let's get your face here. Yeah, camera recognizes. Oh, I see someone. And cook. And okay. Oh, I recognize Zardus. Like he does some in the X. Yum yum, yeah, that's him. Oh, he also does. Like, man, this is like I think it's like these are so randomly. But when we hit, it hits. Okay, and we got all, and that's it. Okay, let's open the promos. I have no idea what the promos are. Okay, this is from previous set. I don't remember which one was that. Yeah, it's a Giga set. Okay, time to open this bad boy. They packed it so hard. Japan, they don't care about the packaging much. Last time, I remember when I had like those, they were just with the rubber. And yeah, but surprisingly, nothing was lost. Okay, let's just open the promo to see. Sometimes there are 2 promos. Here's one. I cannot open it for camera for some reason. Okay, got the pull. Yeah, just one promo. No idea who it is. And let's check this too. Okay, this is from Ike. So promo for this set. Nice. And this one, August. Okay, back to box number 2. Let's get the show on the road. I'm trying to open with the fingers when there's enough, like near me. Don't ask why. Okay. And let's open. So we get one the same promo. I don't remember if there was like case when the promo was different. So this is like first printing or something. I don't know. So like usually one outside, one inside. Oops, it's not a card. Okay. Okay, so let's get this one. Okay. We may now see duplication rest slots because you get like 16 rares. And okay, duplicate. That's usually Lycee 2. I know. I'm in duplicate city. Okay, 1. And let's go. Okay, we've seen you before. And nothing. Well, it's rare, but like, yeah, only key rares. and elf. Okay, so yeah, we still have 4 cards. Maybe we'll get a SP, maybe not, most likely not. So in this product you don't expect one. It's pretty hard to get. You have to buy a lot of boxes. And I only buy 2 because 2 is like just enough to get most cards. You get all uncommons, commons, and have like of rares. With 2 you get like most of the rares, unless you're super unlucky and get... Okay. Same super rare. The usual. Okay, let's see. I think the worst time I had like... I opened 2 boxes and got 5 types of super rares. Yeah, that happens. Oh, your mom again. Okay, and we have like 2 boxes halfway through, I think. Still missing Kira cards. Once I opened all rares the same in 1 box. I was like, couldn't believe, but when I was like, none of them. That's 1 rare, but that's like almost impossible, but it happens to me. Okay, yeah. All 3. Okay, we'll see if sorry. Unless super rare will be the same. So far it's 3. Oh well. Good thing they're cheap. Well, this is how we do it. Okay, well at least I'm enjoying the art. Art is great in this set. Okay, we're almost done. And okay. So 1 rare and Kira rare. And let's see if we go golden ticket. How many packs? 6. Yeah, let's see how bad my luck is. I was kind of excited for this. Lycee or 2. Okay. So yeah. So far, and nothing spicy. Okay, this is foil KR. Well, it looks pretty. 715. Okay, this one is 50 bucks. I don't know why, but I'm like checking and it's super expensive for some reason. Maybe it's just a popular heroine. I don't know. But this is like a $50 card. Wow. Okay. Okay, so yeah. But I'm still curious about super rare. Okay, is it the same? No, it's different this time. Okay. So not so bad. Okay. This is $8 super rare. Okay, so it was not a total waste. Sometimes happens. Okay. And we're just checking. We got our chase card. Oh, it's cute fox. So if we got something like it's highly unlikely. Now to get anything extra, we'll just enjoy art. And I'm gonna have fun sorting it later. And nothing. Yeah. Well, you don't always get them, so don't expect to always pull it. So 2 Kira cards. The most expensive card I pulled from this box. Like it's paid for 1 box by itself and 5 super rares. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, sometimes happens. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.